Hello, good morning class. Today I am going to start your chapter 5 arithmetic progressions. An AP is a sequence in which each term differs from its preceding term by a constant, right? General form of AP can be written as A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and up to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here first term is A1, second term is A2, third term is A3, fourth term is A4 and last term can be said as AN, right? Next, so the nth term of an AP can be written as AN is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, where A is the first term and D is the common difference. Suppose we have an AP that is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So here first term A is 3 and the common difference D is 3. How we can take the common difference? That is 6 minus 3, your 3, 9 minus 6 is your 3, 12 minus 6 is your 12 minus 9 is your 3, right? So from the succeeded term minus with its preceding term and you will get the common difference. Next, exercise 5.1. Exercise 5.1, question number 1. In which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? Okay. Question number 1. The taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. Okay. Means for the first kilometer the fare is fixed, which is rupees 18. So this is your first term. A is equals to 15. And next, for every additional kilometers the value rupees 8 is added. So the taxi fares are 15, 23, 31, 34 and 47 and so on, right? So yes, it is in the form of AP. Next, question number 2. The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Every time the vacuum pump removes 1/4 part. Okay, let the initial part be V. So if we are removing 1/4 part of it, that is V minus V by 4. So the remaining part is 3V by 4. Now from this 3V by 4 portion, we are again removing 1/4 part, that is 3V by 4 minus 3V by 4 into 1/4. So the value here is 9V by 16. So AP becomes here is 4, 3V by 4, 9V by 16. As the common difference of volume of air remaining is not the same, so it is not an AP, because different proportions we can obtain from the volume given. Next, question number 3 is very much similar to question number 1st. The cost of initial digging is given, which is rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by rupees 50 for each subsequent meter. Here also the cost of digging we are obtaining in the form of AP, which is 150, 200, 250 and 300 and so on. So yes, it is an AP. Next, question number 4. The amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at compound interest of rupees 8% per annum. So here we are using the compound interest formula, which is equals to A is equals to P 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n, where R is rate of interest, that is 8%, and n is the time here. So amount of money at the end of every year, at the first year is rupees, initial is rupees 10,000, then 10,800, 11,000 and 664. So it is not an AP as the common difference is not same. Next, question number 2. Write first 4 terms of an AP if the first term A is given here and the common difference D is given here. It is also very simple. A and D is given. Here we are obtaining the value A1 as A, which is 10. A2 is your A plus D, that is 10 plus 10 is your 20. Similarly, A3 is A plus 2D, that is 10 plus 2 into 10. The answer here is 30. A4 is your 40. Next, question number 2. A is minus 2 and the common difference D here is 0. If there is no common difference, then only single term exists and the value here is minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 and minus 2. Right. Next question number third. A is 4, D is minus 3. Here also we are putting the formula of A plus D, A plus 2D and A plus 3D. We get the values 4, 1, minus 2 and minus 5. Next is your question number 4. The value given here is A is equals to minus 1 and D is equals to 1 by 2. A1 is minus 1, A2 is minus 1 plus 1 by 2. So your answer is 1 by 2. Then A3 is 0. A4 is 1 by 2. Next question number 5. A is equals to minus 1.25, D is equals to minus 0.25. So here A1 is minus 1.25, A2 is minus 1.50, A3 is minus 1.75 and A4 is minus 2.00. Right? Do this by your own. If there is any doubt in this video, ask me. We will move further tomorrow. Thank you, class.